Hi, Vic. So what?
Right now. Right now.
She's crying?
And look at her
Really?
face, she's blushing.
1, 2.
Hey, Vicky, what can we do? So you're gonna stay?
Yeah. You want Elmer to strip?
Fun, man.
You can do that.
Just pay me pay, huh?
Bilang mo.
Papa, stairs here for you, Papa.
It's a little Jody. Apay, yakin naman sabo?
Sometimes she calls me Papa. Yeah, sometimes she does that.
My daughter is always Daddy. It's like, call her. Call me. Just don't bother me. Everything happens. But she eat. She really.
She's not everything.
What's her face? Huh?
That is her.
That is Daddy.
Nag-make-up po sana ako.
Ha?
Nag-make-up po sana ako.
Nag-make up.
I'm free.
Hey.
Hindi na kita nangyari.
Ah. Hey.
Bisita rin yung nakatayo.
Ayan na ito. Ba't nakatalikod?
Kasi hindi ka na kayo ni
Hindi ka ni Manalia.
Nagsasaya. Oh.
Hey!
Kumakain pala siya.
Bisita isa. Pagtayo mo si ate.
Manda ka dyan, ha?
Lagi naman ang pinaghinitan ni ate. Wala siyang masa rin.
Subin sandwich ka, dive too.
Tapos ko dahil. Nakakatakot yun, te.
Go, Jolie. Bagel na, bagel.
You better start training Jane ng Subin sandwich dive too,
Oh my
eh.
God. Same
Ate Jane.
story.
Kaya sabi lang sinusundo na sa'yo yung bagel.
Tapos parinig mo yung boss ni ate. Bigel! Bigel!
English, English.
Hindi nga eh. Hindi ko alam kung bakit sabi natin. English. Bakit kaya palaging sinasabi natin ngayon? Anong problema nung natin ngayon? Sabi ko, bakit